Imagine a software team where chaos reigns, tasks are missed, bugs multiply, and deadlines slip. Developers are overwhelmed, and productivity suffers. Now imagine a team of intelligent agents, not humans, automatically creating features, fixing bugs, and assigning tasks. Development becomes faster, smarter, and more autonomous. Welcome to the future of software development, powered by Google ADK and Vertex AI. Imagine a team of mini-agents working on your software project. We built a system called GenZ pilot agents using powerful tools. The requirement agent gathers from human input and interprets project features to product manager agent. The product manager agent will process to lead developer agent, which divides these needs into manageable user stories. Then, the front-end agent crafts the user interface. Meanwhile, the back-end agent develops the server-side logic. Finally, the file writer agent compiles everything into a cohesive codebase. Here's our demo of an intelligent task management system built using AI agents. We input a simple prompt to create and delete tasks, and the agents generate the full application code. At end, you can see the structured output folder with ready-to-use front-end and back-end code. Imagine a world where agents communicate like a real team. We use Google ADK for seamless agent orchestration. This toolkit empowers agents to collaborate sequentially and in parallel. Let's break it down step by step. First, we deploy the Google Agent WebKit. This allows us to set up an interactive playground. Here, agents can begin to communicate effectively. Next, we introduce Google ADK. This framework orchestrates agent communication. It enables them to share information efficiently. Some agents work on tasks while others collaborate simultaneously. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Agents can generate code using templates or AI. This means they can create complex code effortlessly while maintaining high productivity. You'll see agents working together in real time. They sync their efforts, demonstrating seamless communication. However, it's essential to note the complexity involved. Our agents manage to output folders without hallucinations. In summary, our tech stack revolutionizes agent communication. Agents collaborate effortlessly and produce effective results. Now, let's discuss our future plans. We aim to integrate with GitHub for automatic commits. This automation makes version control seamless. Each change will be captured effortlessly, enhancing collaboration. Next, we will introduce AI agents for testing and documentation. These intelligent assistants will learn and document processes, reducing human errors. Imagine a system that predicts problems before they happen. Additionally, we will scale our solution to support continuous integration and development pipelines. This means larger projects can enjoy our system's benefits too. Lastly, we envision enabling voice or natural language input. Imagine communicating your requirements naturally, streamlining the development process further. In summary, this system promises to enhance software development. With future integrations and innovations, expectations are sky high.